Hi, my name is Janet. With just yarn and a crocheting hook, you can create many beautiful products that you can sell and earn money. Wondering how you can get started? In this video, our solution entrepreneur takes us through the step-by-step process of crocheting. Join us as we craft, create, and crochet.
When I finished campus, I tried to look for jobs here and there and then didn't find them. And a friend of mine took me through the basics of crocheting. From there, I went on to YouTube and I learned that I can do a lot of things with a hook and a thread. My name is Tessa Deborah and I run a business called Demolds. We deal in crocheted and knitted products, wool sweaters, baby kits, casual sweaters, scarves, ponchos, and other products. Crocheting is very easy to learn. It's cost effective. A pack of thread goes for 20,000 and then a needle goes for 2,000. We are going to take you through a step-by-step of doing a scarf. We use a hook, we use a thread, and then we need also a pair of scissors. We are going to roll our thread onto the finger. Get your hook and make a knot. Go through it and then tie. We are going to do a chain. So you're going to go down, get that thread onto the hook and then pass through it. Yeah, we're going to do a chain of 20. It needs to be loose, not extremely tight. So this is the chain of 20. We are going to do a double crochet in this. So for our double, get your hook onto the thread, go through the loop here, the second loop, and then get the thread. So you have 3 of them here, and then you take off the 2. You stay with the 2 and then you take them off as well. So that's our double crochet. So you're going to do that till the end here. So you're going to do that in each and every loop. So you repeat the process. Going to do third row, fourth row, and so on. So after this, after your first row, you're going to chain 2, like 1 and 2, and then you turn like this. You don't turn like, just turn like this, so that what was facing you is now facing the other side. So that's how you turn. So after chaining 2, we'll come back and do what we did on the first row. Go through the loops, get your thread onto the hook, go through the first 2 and then the second 2. Like that, we are going to do this till the end. So that's how the scarf is. It depends on the length that you want, but you keep doing what we've done with the row 1. So after doing all the different rows, so here we are with our scarf. Like you can see, it's very long. After, you can put on the fringes. So here we are with our scarf. when I was starting, people minimize the kind of work that we do. The value they attach to it is so little, and yet we put in a lot of time to make the product. What attracts people are the colors. Allow yourself to adventure with the colors. I find market through social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, through referrals, and then wearing your products. As a result of the business, I've been able to acquire machinery. As you can see, there are certain schools that I supply school sweaters. I am happy. Business gets stuff where a month ends and you're like, where is the money? And you're not seeing it. But it's a thing of showing up every day, and you don't give up showing up. Make sure that in that one day, you're making the best out of it.
Thank you for joining us on this learning journey. We hope you had as much fun crocheting as we did. To watch more learning videos on simple local income skills, visit the Sawa World YouTube channel. Bye!